Don't be out there judging me, y'all. This is rough. This is like a rough draft of a paper. Stay tuned, y'all. Find out why I look so rough. Good morning, y'all. It's morning time here. Woo! It was a rough one. But I got it done. I want to say thank you for showing me all the love that everybody been showing me. I'm speechless. Y'all see me? I'm speechless. I don't have nothing to say. I'm full of joy right now because I'm really appreciating all of the returning key babies and especially all of my new key babies. Like, I am so excited that I'm growing so much on YouTube, especially being a smaller YouTube. And I'm going to continue to push out content. Y'all just never know with me, baby. I got all types of content I be coming with. Y'all just got to keep up. Keep them post notifications on. When Queenkey83 drop a video, you can see. That rhymed a little bit, didn't it? Okay, but anyways, I'm going to give you a day in life of me getting ready for work and a grand opening at Dunkin. Yes, this morning we have a grand opening. So I'm going to walk y'all through like when I pull up because last night I made specialty donuts. I'm going to pop them up on the screen because I recorded. I didn't get to record in there so much because it was like a little bit noisy and loud and I really couldn't concentrate. So I just recorded a little bit of bits and pieces so y'all can see what kind of donuts I did. I did the Minions, of course. I had to do the Minions. I heard the movie was fire, right? I haven't seen it, but I'm hearing that it was fire. Okay, so I did the Minions. Y'all see it. Paw Patrol. I tried to do the Iron Man. I struggled a little bit. It was the icing for me. That's what I'm going to blame it on. Blame it on the icing. I even did Sesame Street. I did the Cookie Monster and the Trash Man. Trash Can Man. I think his name is Grunch. I don't know. Whatever his name is. Y'all better not be out there correcting me. Y'all will know what his name is. Because I wanted the kids to at least see the Sesame Street things. Even though we know a lot of stuff is going on with Sesame Street. I'm not going to get into that. Because kids don't know all of that. These are little kids. The parents know. I'm not going to get into all of that. So I still did it for the kids. Because at first I was like, no, I'm not going to do them. But I was like, no. These are kids. They don't know no better yet. But us as adults, we know better. Well, some of us. And this is what I did last night. Okay. So now I am about to do something to this hair. Show y'all how I get ready. I think my hair is growing. Y'all look. The shrinkage is real. It is. I think the next video I'm going to do is how I keep my hair healthy. Because it's hard. But I'm going to do a video on that healthy hair. I did a hair routine before. But I didn't word it right. Because you know with YouTube you have to word stuff correctly. And that's what I didn't do. So I'm going back and I'm going to do a whole nother one. A healthy hair routine. So y'all can see it. But I'm about to get ready to take a shower. Take a shower. Be in there for about an hour. Hey, take a shower. Let me stop y'all. Let me get ready. Probably late on the grand opening and get rolled up. Oh, we're not doing that. I gotta move kind of fast, y'all, because I'm pressed for time. I didn't wash my hair at all. I just, you know where you do your edges at? I just run some water on that. Well, where I do my edges at, I just run some water on that. So, y'all get to see the natural. Let me get ready, y'all. Y'all see this hair? That's the first thing I'm about to start doing. is his hair. I need some of mine. Can't find my stuff. I should have had it out already. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. I don't know if y'all ever seen this. Y'all know the stuff, castor oil. I had to say it slow. It helps your hair to grow, y'all. So that's what I'm putting in my hair. In the front, in the back. It's kind of like, I say that's my protection over gel. I put that in my hair first, and then that's when I go over with the gel. You know? Y'all know how y'all, when y'all press y'all hair out, y'all put the heat, that spray, the heat that protects your, when you press out your hair or something. That's what I do. I put that grease on my head first. Okay. So I'm just using, I had to use this kind because I'm out of the other kind. I think it's called coconut. That's my favorite kind. And y'all know what I did with this? I waited till it got down to the thing. Y'all know how TikTok made me do it? I added water to this and like stir it up. You know, adding water to this, it don't make them flakes in y'all hair when you put your edges in. I don't know if y'all experienced that, but hey, I do. Alright, I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second. Okay, it's up there, y'all. Ponytail is there. Y'all see it? Now it's time to do something with these edges, which I don't even think they're gonna be able to see my edges anyway, because I'm having on a hat today. But I'm like, how you do edges? So let me show you. You just get enough hair. See that? I'm gonna bring y'all in just a little closer. Just a little closer. Y'all see that? The gel. You gotta hold your hair. You gotta hold your hair just like a baby. Go up. Push it back. Go up. Push it back. On the side. It's like it's kind of like a, what that say, a spiral effect, whatever effect. It's kind of, you will go with the flow of your hair. But everybody don't know how to do that. I get it. It's like everybody don't know how to braid. Everybody don't know how to cut hair. And my edges always gotta be like so different. I can't never pick a day when my edges are the same. Because they never. See, I'm struggling right now. Yeah. Struggling. I don't even think they're going to even see them today. That's when you pull out the big brush. I don't got time for that little brush today. I gotta go. See how my hair is so curly right now? Oh, it's making me mad, yeah. There we go. That's how it's gonna be today, baby. Maybe I don't have enough gel on my hair. That's why it's not holding. How did I do, y'all? Y'all like it? I hope y'all like it. Okay, lift my shirt on. What? So I got them Dunkin' colors on? Yes, y'all. I'm walking out through Dunkin'. Look at the bake. Look at the donuts. These are some of the employees. They were busy because we was like slammed at this point. Yes, we was. And here we go. This is Tati and Allison. They saying hey to y'all. Hey, hey, hey. And as we're walking out here, I'm just showing y'all like all the people that's here for Dunkin'. We got corporate out here, okay? What's up, corporate? Where my raise at? Anyways, let's not get into that. I'm just showing y'all a little bit of everything. This is my boss, Nisha. Yes. They have like a wheel over there. I was out there being nosy, y'all. Y'all know me. I gotta be nosy. This is corporate. I had to go over there and see what was up. See what I can get free. She was like, I like your earrings. I said, girl, Amazon. Because I had some donut earrings on. And that's a wheel. You get free donuts. You get free coffee. For a year, baby. For a year. Y'all better make sure y'all be going to the grand openings. Now I'm in the back, y'all. I am working because, you know, I got to work hard for the money. Hey, hey, hey. So hard for them. Okay, let me stop. I'm back there about to prep some bacon, y'all. So that's why I got them gloves on. Y'all see my earrings? I thought I was cute. Look at me. Look at all that bacon. So I'm just back there prepping at this time. Don't tell nobody I got the inside scoop on Dunkin' now. That's my boss, Nisha. I've been working with her for 2 years now. I'm just showing you the Dunkin' setup, you know, showing y'all again, in case I went too fast earlier. And that's Kelly. Nisha always talking. She's something she won't be in front of the camera. Look at the coffee man. Hey, 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 hey. He's turned up over there, y'all. Look at me. I had to get a picture, y'all.
Thank you very much.
And these are just some of the donuts that I do. I could do probably all types of donuts, but of course these are the Minions. Sesame Street. Look at Big Bird. Okay, quit playing with me. I be doing my thing. Mickey Mouse. I tried it. The basketball, the football field. I try to do my thing, y'all. Look at the pizza. Oh, wee. The tomato. Happy birthday. I do all types of donuts, y'all. For Nurse Day. Because we respect them, y'all. Yes, we do. Anybody work in the hospital. But I'm closing out this video, y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, hey, okay? Hope you enjoyed it. It was something different. I'm out. This is my boss daughter. So cute. This is the donut balloons. That's me chilling. And this is Ty. She's a new YouTuber. Her description will be down below.